national mhlawumbe ukuthi mhlawumbe ake sithi mhlawumbe ake sithi nami president uphambi kwakho wethu samtshela ukuthi nje
yazi mina ngazi ngifuna ukutshela manje mhlawumbe ngifuna ngiphakamisa izandla ngithi president president kwenze njani kanti president kwenze njani mfethu
ngoba nalabantu laba osebenza nabo phela obafakile emsebenzini abenzi lutho
because badeployiwe banama positions banendawo noma banama task okumele nabo bawasebenze bathi kwenzakalani lapho
kodwa ufuna usasho ngalokho yabo ngokukhuma ngendaba ye-deployment yabona le-cadre deployment lena nami I'm very totally against it indaba yama-cadre deployment ngoba umuntu